Yes, so students, here is one graphical question for you. Okay, so let this question is like this. There are two students A and B, and they have performed some resistance experiment. They have provided V as a voltage and I as a current. Okay, so they have drawn the graph here, and R1 is greater to R2. That has been already mentioned by the instructor to these students. Okay, that I am providing you two resistance here, students, and here R1 is actually greater compared to R2. Okay, so one of the instructor is asking to another students that which out of these two students have drawn the graph correctly. Yes, of course, because R1 is greater and R2 is smaller, so A has drawn it correctly, students, because you know that if we take V as a constant, so or we can write it like this, like Ohm's law. In Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. Fine. So here R is a constant term, you know that, but for a particular appliance only this R is constant. Okay, if we are taking one bulb and one fan, so R1 will be for like bulb and R2 will be for fan, so it will be for fan only. It is not like this that R2 will be considered as for the bulb, resistance of the bulb. It would not be possible. Okay, so now here according to the instructor that R1 is greater than R2. So here the first one student, that the A student, has provided the correct graphical representation. Why? Because the slope of R1 here is greater compared to the R2. Okay, this slope, the angle that has been made by the R1 here is greater than compared to the R2. That would be possible. Okay, so here V and I. Okay, why R1 is greater here? How we get to know that R1 is greater here? Because if we take any point here for I1 current and V voltage, and for the same voltage if we take the value of this, so we get to know that here for the same voltage we are getting R1 value as this, I1 is minimum here, and R2 value and I is more there. So more current I2 for this R1 and I1 is for this one. So more current for R2 will predict that less is the value of resistance R2, and less is the current value will gives the indication of that the resistance value will be more here, because we are keeping the V constant here. That is why we can predict that more the slope is, whatever the slope is, if the slope of the resistance is more, then the more resistance will be provided by that resistance.